Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today we will learn about letter B. So let's start. This is an uppercase B. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase B.
And this is a lowercase b. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase b.
Good. As you know children, every letter has a different sound. Letter B is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, here is the story of Bumpy the ball. Bumpy the ball, Bobby the butterfly and Bitty the bug love to play in the garden. Bitty loves to sit on Bumpy's back while Bobby loves to sit on her favorite bellflower. One day, a naughty mongoose was after Bobby. Poor Bobby was trying to hide between the bushes, but the shrewd mongoose had sharp eyes to trace Bobby. Bitty observed it from a distance and had an idea. She told Bumpy to bounce near the bush. Bitty sat on his back. Bumpy started bouncing with the sound ba, 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 which made the mongoose flee. Bobby thanked her friends Bitty and Bumpy.
Bumpy bounced with the sound ba, ba, ba.
Yes, the sound of letter B is B. So now let us sing about the sound of letter B. Are you ready, Monami?
Yes.
B is a consonant, it has a sound. B is a consonant, it has a sound.
B is a consonant, it has a sound. B is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the B sound. B, 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 B.
Let us say the B sound. B, 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 B.
B, B, B. B as in ball, B as in bag, B as in basket.
B as in boy, B as in bag, B as in basket.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
B is a consonant, it has a sound. B is a consonant, it has a sound.
B is a consonant, it has a sound. B is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the B sound. B, 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 B.
Let us say the B sound. B, 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 B.
B as in books, B as in butterfly, B as in blender.
B as in books, B as in butterfly, B as in blender.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
So dear children, hope you have enjoyed learning with Monami. Please do not forget to
like, subscribe and share our channel.
Yes, see you in our next class. Till then, bye.
Bye friends.